I just snuck into Nancy's room and I borrowed it.
Using it. So I'm gonna get the golden is the 40 gels is rolling in a little roll, like a little beads. And then I am going to just pick it up with the 3D doer and a brush. And if I can pick it up.
Hello, Mika. Yeah, Star, my nails that she did yesterday are so cute with the transfer foil.
And then I'm going to do is one bead first. Hi, Mika. How are you? Press it down right in the centers. And then you're going to using just the belly of this Dual 3D brush and silicone tool. Special designs for a perfect to fit with the Glitz 40 gel. So you don't using it too big, too small. And then just press, release. Super easy, simple. And then guess what? This is the best thing about 40 gel. It's not going to set until you are going to cure. So if, for instance, if you feel like it's too much or too little, you can always add more or remove more 40 gels. So
it's like a perfect little leaf for fall too.
Right here.
It's so cute.
Normally we have Vicky nails. It's longer.
I know.
And it's really cool. You can guide in it. And I didn't even use any of this solution at all. And if you're happy with this, we are going to like a flash here. Hold on, let me zoom in. It's better.
The other really great thing about 40 gel is it lays absolutely flat to your nail. So you never have a catch. If your client likes more flat art, she will love this because it's absolutely no catches, nothing.
I'll just do a flash here really, really quick. With my is right here.
Flash cure light.
Really quick for 10 seconds. And I'm going to using the second bead, which is solid white. Hope everyone have a fabulous day. And then place right above of yours goldens. And press it down in the middle. And gently press it on the side. Really simple, yeah?
It's so easy. And you can make bigger flowers, simple flowers, whatever you want. The other great thing is, let's say you want a little bit lighter shade of the golden. All you have to do is mix a little bit of the solid white to it, and you can make all of them mixed together. You can make endless colors. Can you pin Minka's comment after you're done? But look she can stop. It doesn't move. It just stays right where she put it. Hello, Kennedy. Hello, lady. I'm trying to see. Hi, Nails by Diva. Hi, Nancy. Hi, Lily. I have to page back.
All right. So now if you're happy with this, we are going to cure. But before it cure, I'm going to show you some cool, easy way to like getting your beads right into the nails. I'm going to pick one of the metal frames right here from our glow in the dark kits. Where am I? Right there. Just place a little bit of condensed glue gels. It's still wet, so then you can't actually adhere your frame right into the 40 gel. So it's actually it's gonna be even better. Can you see it from here?
Star asked when you're going to be doing fall nails. Star, this is like perfect for fall. It's like 2 leaves. Just wait, has the fall gel polish launched yet?
No.
No.
Is this your question?
Yeah, it's
No,
my
not
question.
yet. Oh.
Okay,
it's coming.
So if you're at ABS Chicago, we will be there September 11th, 12th, and 13th.
Yes.
And we are launching, I don't know, are we launching it before then or just launching at ABS? So we're launching the fall gel polish line then.
All right, so I'm gonna key it for is 30 seconds. Flash key.
30 seconds.
And oh, hello, Aunt Henry, how are you? It's so good to see you.
Can you deliver the product in India? Right now, we aren't doing international shipping because it's such a long delay. We still haven't figured it out. When COVID happened, our shipping times were taking 2 months. It was crazy. So we still test. We have people we send to and we're still testing it and it's still taking